If you've ever pinned a message on WhatsApp and later decided you don't need it at the top of your conversation, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to unpin a message on WhatsApp using your Android phone. Before we get into the steps, let's quickly talk about why you might want to unpin a message. Pinning a message on WhatsApp helps keep an important message at the top of a conversation. However, once you no longer need a message at the top, unpinning it will help keep your chat list organized and up to date. Launch the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Enter into the conversation where you have pinned your message. At the top of the conversation, you'll see your pinned message. Tap on that. You will be redirected to that message. Tap and hold on to the pinned chat that you want to unpin. This will bring up a menu with several options. In the menu, you'll see an unpin icon. It looks like a push pin with a line through it. Tap on it, and your chat will be unpinned. If you do not see the unpin icon, tap on the three dots menu. You will see this option in the menu that appears. And that's it. Your message will be removed from the top. And that's how you unpin a message on WhatsApp using your Android phone. It's a quick and easy way to keep your chats organized and clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Have any questions or suggestions for other WhatsApp tips? Leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.